Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about Frankenstein. That's our keyword processor tool. And in case you're wondering why did you guys call it Frankenstein, that is because Frankenstein is a creature made up of a bunch of different parts, right? And he became better once all those parts were animated and put together. Well, that's what we do with keywords. Individually, they're okay, but when you put them all together and you clean them up and make it all one cohesive thing, it becomes much more powerful, hence Frankenstein. Hopefully that will get you to remember the name Frankenstein. But I want to talk about this very quickly. I brought in 13,460 characters worth of keywords. That's 2,108 total words from a magnet search on baseball gloves. Okay, so if I want to remove duplicates, and you can see baseball is mentioned multiple times here, and gloves, the same thing. These will all get removed as duplicates. All I have to do, click remove duplicates, process, okay, and in about 3 seconds, boom, it's done. You can see it's removed all the duplicates. It's reduced 13,000 down to 1,229 characters, only 197 words. So much easier to manage. This would have been insane to work with. Now, maybe I want this on one word per line. I would click right here. I'd hit process. Again, it's going to take just about 3 seconds. And then, boom, it comes up. One word per line. Now, if I want to, maybe I want to sort this by the words that appear the most, right? Because if somebody is searching for terms like this, I want to use the words that are being used the most in search results or in search phrases. So there's a thing called frequency here, and this is going to pull up the words that are used the most. Right now it's in, it was in descending or ascending, but baseball is the word that's used the most. Glove is the second most used word, gloves, youth, mitt. See, these are good keywords. Kids, batting. Now there's a period here, and the reason the period is here or is so popular is because there's a lot of sizes, 11.75, 12.5, 11.25. These are sizes of gloves. So that's why that's in there. If you want to remove characters like this, you would just, right now these are all protected in here, hyphen, quotes, commas, and periods. I could just delete the ones that I don't want to show up here, and it'll get rid of it. So you can do that. You can sort things by adding commas. I want to protect numbers because it stripped out all these numbers, and these are important. These are sizes. So I'm going to protect the numbers, process it again. Very important there, right? I completely forgot about that. Now you can see the numbers are actually showing up. So it looks like 12 is the one that is searched for the most by people. Seems like it's a common size for gloves. The other thing that we do, guys, is we auto-save this if you're a paid member. Okay, if you want to save something manual, let's say I'm done with this and this looks really good, I can click save, and I could call this, baseball glove keywords. Okay, hit OK. And this way I can access it any other time. It's in my history file. I'm not going to open this up because there's a lot of other things in there right now. But yeah, at any point I can access it right here. If you're doing results and you're pulling keywords from some other tool, there's other keyword tools that pull ASINs and things that you really don't need. We have this remove ASINs button here. So if you import from there, you can remove all the ASINs. Again, you can do so much. You can remove any words that start with a specific term, remove phrases that contain a specific term. Just play around with this. You can sort things alphabetically, okay? Right now it's Z to A. Now it's A to Z, starting with numbers. Originally how it was, by length. If I want to search by smallest number of characters to largest number of characters, click it one more time and it reverses it. And again, by frequency, this is float is the most, or the least frequently used keyword, okay? And then grow is the second one. And if I click it again, then it sorts it by the most popular, okay? So an incredible tool. I use this for all of my keyword research when I'm bringing things in to clean it up. And then I'll take this when I'm done, and I'll either copy it, I'll save it, or I can import it directly into Scribbles. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it into our super product optimizing tool, Scribbles. And if you want to find out about that, go over here, click on Scribbles right here, and check it out. Take care.